AI is rewriting the rules of risk. Every new model, every prompt, opens another window into your data. For security and data protection teams, the stakes have never been higher. Ransomware was yesterday's threat. Today, AI can exfiltrate sensitive data in seconds. What if you could not only discover where sensitive data lives, but also control exactly who or what can see it? Most security teams today operate in the dark, with structured data in databases, unstructured files in SaaS apps, and AI models drawing from both. Without unified access governance, no one truly knows where sensitive data lives, who's accessing it, or what an AI might expose. One policy governs users, another, if it exists, governs apps. AI models, usually none. Commvault changes that. Inside the command center, a single policy governs access for both users and AI models across structured and unstructured data. That same policy powers AI prompt redaction, restricting sensitive information from being submitted to AI models. This helps enable unified visibility across your entire data landscape, extending Commvault's trusted foundation of cyber resilience into proactive data governance and AI security. With Satori, we're expanding how customers manage and protect data in motion and during use, providing the same visibility and control you depend on for protection, now extended to live data and AI interactions. In this short demo, you'll see how our platform empowers security and data protection teams to rapidly identify and prioritize threats with a unified dashboard, discover sensitive data across cloud, SaaS, and AI workloads, govern access for both users and AI models with a single policy, enforce dynamic masking and safe prompt rewriting, audit interactions for provable compliance. You'll discover how these capabilities work together to help reduce risks and implement access controls in your environment, enabling you to adopt AI more safely. Every security program begins with visibility, and that's where Commvault helps bring it all together. From here, you launch data access governance, powered by Satori, now integrated into the command center experience. It extends Commvault's protection to include unified access governance for live data and AI workloads. Through a single platform, you can connect directly to your cloud and database environments like AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, Snowflake, Databricks, and more. Connecting your cloud accounts now takes minutes, all through a single unified configuration experience. Commvault automatically discovers and maps your data stores the moment they are connected, whether structured or unstructured, across cloud platforms. You gain rapid visibility across your multi-cloud landscape, the first step toward governed access and safe AI adoption. Let's move into the Discovery and Classification Dashboard, your central hub for understanding the health and exposure of your data landscape. From the moment your cloud accounts are connected, Commvault automatically discovers and classifies all data stores, structured and unstructured, across AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, and SaaS platforms. You gain clear visibility into what has been discovered, secured, and monitored through a single unified interface. Instead of relying on point-in-time scans, Commvault continuously discovers and classifies data, so visibility keeps up with your business. You can quickly see data movement, new stores, and classification results. Each asset is assigned a risk score, so you know exactly where to focus first. Alerts for new data stores or sensitive content are displayed, such as the ones here for linkable PII and operational data. This visibility helps empower your team to prioritize, govern, and take action before exposure becomes an incident. Data loss doesn't just occur through breaches, it also happens from overexposure. Too many people, too much data, and no consistent policy. That's where access governance comes into play. Using a single platform, Commvault enables you to enforce precise masking and redaction rules across all connected environments. Here, we're creating a masking profile powered by Satori that automatically detects and protects sensitive data, such as birth dates, IP addresses, and passwords. Each field can be anonymized, redacted, or formatted according to policy. The same profile applies whether the request comes from a user, a service, or an AI model. This is an example of what least privilege access looks like in action. Users see only what they need, while sensitive data remains protected at the source. Unlike traditional data protection vendors that mainly focus on DSPM and visibility, Commvault goes further. It not only protects data, but also governs live data access across structured, unstructured, and AI-driven workloads. It's not just about seeing your data, it's about protecting and governing it more effectively. Commvault extends beyond protection by enabling policy-aware enforcement that even governs AI prompt responses, something competitors don't offer today. That's the advantage. One simple, unified policy that helps keep your organization compliant and AI safe without slowing innovation. Imagine a common scenario. An employee uses an AI assistant to enhance their productivity. They input actual employee data into the chat, requesting that the model summarize performance and identify the top and bottom performers. While this may seem like a productivity boost, the prompt contains sensitive, regulated information such as salaries, social security numbers, and home addresses. Before any data leaves the environment or is processed by the AI model, Commvault's AI security, powered by Satori, intercepts it. The system automatically detects sensitive fields and applies inline masking and redaction, enforcing the same access governance policies defined earlier for our data stores. Commvault, powered by Satori, offers a policy-aware prompt redaction feature that differs from tools that rely on data loss prevention or block entire prompts. This approach allows you to maintain productivity while helping to keep sensitive data under your control. Because redaction occurs before the model processes the data, it helps prevent sensitive information from influencing or contaminating the large language model's dataset. This helps protect both your users and your AI environment. The result is that the AI generates a meaningful summary that identifies your highest and lowest performers while protecting confidential details. This is how we make AI security practical, governance that safeguards without disrupting how people work. It's audit week. The CISO and CIO are reviewing how internal users and AI assistants handle sensitive data. They need answers fast. Who accessed what? Were the masking policies applied correctly? Were any AI queries touching regulated fields? Commvault's AI security, powered by Satori, captures every interaction. The audit log records each query, including the user, dataset, applied policy, and redactions performed in near real time. Here, they can see a specific user prompt from the AI chat demo, including both the original and redacted versions, along with details like access level, rule creator, and execution time. Unlike point tools that only handle backup activity or DSPM scans, Commvault offers unified audit visibility across live data, AI prompts, and governed access events, helping provide leadership with a single authoritative record. For the CISO, this means rapid compliance reviews. For the CIO, it helps provide proof that governance is operational, not just theoretical. With Commvault, you're not just protecting AI, you're transforming data security. Unified visibility allows you to view sensitive data across clouds, SaaS, and AI from a single platform. One policy for users and AI models enforces least privilege access automatically everywhere. Dynamic masking, redaction, and policy-aware AI responses protect live data in motion, not just at rest. Unified audit trails quickly demonstrate compliance, helping transform oversight into confidence. Security, IT, and compliance leaders can now shift from reactive controls to proactive governance, responsibly adopting AI, protecting sensitive data, and building a resilient data security posture for the future.